Hey yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mauro and today we're gonna do a new reaction of Dimash Kudaibergen. This time he's gonna sing with Christina Orbakaite. I've heard of her before. I don't know where, I don't know when, but I know I heard of her. She must be very famous. I'm not sure. I think she's gonna be great. Because if it looks like he invited her to sing with him in this concert in Bastau. You told me that's not the Bastau in Germany, but this is a town in Kazakhstan, if I'm not wrong. But nothing anyway. I mean, we should just check it out, you know, see if she's good and nothing.
Қазақ елінің ыстық ықыласына бөленсем деп келген өздеріңіздің сүйікті әншілеріңіз өнер көрсетті. Сол кісінің репертуарынан осыдан 2 жыл бұрын Славянский базар байқауында жеңіске жеткен едім. Түсініп отқан шығарсыздар. Алдарыңызда Кристина Орбакайте!
So even when he talks, he can make those crazy sounds when screaming. That's funny. Oh my god. Wow. She's beautiful. And she tall. Wait, let's see that. Oh my god, look at that! She almost as tall as him. And I saw, you told me guys that he's so tall, he's like 191 centimeter, and she's as tall as him. I don't know, probably she's probably wearing heels, but oh my god, so tall. Wow. My god, it looks so beautiful with all these special effects. I gotta check out a full concert of Dimash sometime soon because I don't know, I think will give me so many emotions, so beautiful vibes, good feelings, it will be amazing. There's no subtitles.
Я живу уже который год, и с тех пор отсчет моих нечаянных потерь остановлены кого-то ждет опять где и мается былое в темноте опять метель. Две вечности сошлись в один короткий день.
That sounds so beautiful, this song, you know, very relaxing and everything. And when the song is like this, most of the times Dimash is about to go insane, right? This time, I don't know this time because he's with this woman, so I don't know, probably not.
Ты меня не ведай, прости.
Such a beautiful voice.
На пороге дома не томи. И теперь у нашей повторившейся любви сроком давности вся жизнь.
That was funny. Those girls didn't know what to do. Wait, let me bring it back. She didn't know which way to face it.
Теперь у нашей повторившейся любви сроком давности вся жизнь опять метель и мается былое в темноте.
Oh my god. this is so beautiful. She has such a beautiful voice. Now I understand why he was so excited and sounded like a little girl when he introduced her to the audience. Oh my God. So beautiful, so beautiful. You can tell people when they sing these ways because they have a lot of experience and because they succeeded in their field, you know, in the music field. When you do like this, it's because you reach a high level. That's crazy, so beautiful. Yeah, that's exactly what I said before. Like the more quiet, the more peaceful, and soul cleansing kind of music, the more when the music starts to rise up, Dimash is gonna go insane on it. So beautiful, so beautiful. Oh my God. Wait, is she gonna do that as well? I don't know. Look at her face. Like, you did that. Whatever. I can do that also. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. Oh my God. You gotta let me know down in the comments if they had made other performances together. It sounded too good. And this song is so beautiful. Let me know about this song. Wait. Opiat Meter. I don't know what that means, but I don't know. Is that an original of her? An original of her? That's why he invited her. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments also. Wow.
Құрметті ағайын ән салған Кристина Орбакайте.
That's so cute. He looks so shy when she hugged him and kissed him. So I'm guessing, seeing this, I've heard of her, so I know she's gonna be very famous. But the look on his face, is like he met his long time idol, something like that. Because I don't know, let me know down in the comments. Probably is one of the other artists that influenced him. I don't know about that, but that was really beautiful. This song was really cute. Was a really nice song. And I got nothing else to add, guys. We're gonna keep doing this kind of reaction because they're amazing. And you gotta let me know which other songs I have to react to. Because I'm never tired of him. And don't worry about it. I'm gonna bring other amazing artists from all over the world. So you just gotta put the names and I'm gonna react to them quietly. Don't worry about it because I have a lot of reactions more to do. But sooner or later, I'm gonna make everyone happy. So don't worry too much about it. But anyway, guys, we reached to the end right now. So you know what you're gonna do. You gotta subscribe to the channel, put a like to the video. You can check out about now all the other songs of Dimash that you can see. I'm gonna put also the playlist of other kind of music like this. That's gonna be so beautiful for you to check it out. And nothing, just subscribe, put a like to the video, comment down below what you want me to react to next. And I will see you next time. Das vidanie!